Hello guys. How are you? My name is Sally. Today I will invite you to draw and color with a million fun. Let's go! If you like this video, please help to subscribe guys. Thank you very much. Do you find it difficult? Drawing is so much fun. At the end of the video, there will be a surprise for you. Look, we're almost done. The picture is done. It's time to coloring, guys. When coloring the edges, you have to be careful, guys. Yellow. I am very happy to be able to play with you guys. Maybe one day, I will become a famous painter. Orange. Green. Coloring is so much fun. Red. When coloring the edges, you have to be careful, guys. Have you ever dreamed of being a superhero? Look, we're almost done. Pink. Finally finished. Wow, magic! This picture can move. Look, it's so beautiful after coloring. Did you like this video? Please subscribe guys. Thank you very much.